This is the Red Pill Reich. Heterosis is another way of saying hybrid vigor. And it's very ironic that the people that deny race love talking about hybrid vigor. They will say, hey, it's a wonderful thing mixing the races, you get hybrid vigor. Well, they seem to be clueless to the contradiction there, because by definition, in order to get a hybrid or hybrid vigor, it requires two separate species or subspecies to mix, and then you can get a hybrid or hybrid vigor. So if hybrid vigor is possible with the human population groups, then race is very real. According to Richard Dawkins, even, he says we might actually be separate species. And when you look at the current data that's available today, we know now that we did mate with more archaic hominids in the past, such as Neanderthals, Denisovans, and in Africa, they mated with a type of Homo erectus or Homo heidelbergensis. So, that would meet the criteria of what would be known as a ring species. So we could be a ring species, actually, different ring species. But I'm cool just sticking to the fact that we are races, and which would be like subspecies. Because if hybrid vigor is possible, then we are, race is real. If we're all the same, like these guys like to claim, there's no differences between the population groups of humans, then hybrids and hybrid vigor is not possible. And the only real demonstrable thing that has been observed with hybrid vigor is you may get some type of new gene or a couple of genes where there's a fluctuation or something, and that gives this organism some benefit, such as maybe a new resistance to a type of bacteria or something like that. But the overall genome is always suffering outbreeding depression every single time. One or two gene benefits advantages does not outweigh that outbreeding depression, and you have the migrational load problem. So it's never a good thing. So, yes, if we're all the same and there's no differences, well then hybrid vigor and hybrids are impossible. If hybrid vigor does exist with the human races when they mix, well then race is very real. Anyway, until next time, ciao.